This video is going to describe how to use the Ontario Web Track system to file a noise complaint with the Ontario Airport. When you first open the website, you'll be presented with this screen. Just accept the terms and continue. Next, you'll need to find your home on the map. Move your mouse to the upper left corner of the map and click the Home button. When you click the Home button, the dialog box will open. Fill in your street address and your city, and click the Find button. If you click Locate on Map at this point, you'll find there's no house shown on the map. You'll need to go back and reselect the house icon and then click Accept Results. Once you click Accept Results, your house will show as a little house icon on the map. Simply use the scroll wheel to zoom in and get a better look at your house in relationship to the Ontario Airport, which is shown here by the red oval. Now move your mouse over to the left-hand corner and click Historical, and then click the calendar icon. This will let you find the date of the noise complaint. Now enter the time as close as you can remember to when the noise complaint occurred and press play. The video will begin to load, as you can see on the progress bar on the bottom of the screen. Once the video loads, you can use the speed bar to speed up the video and watch for the airplane that caused the noise complaint. When a suspect aircraft appears on your screen, simply click the pause button when the aircraft icon is over the icon that represents your house. Once the video is paused, hover your mouse over the airplane's icon. This will make the aircraft's data block visible. The two items you'll need from the data block are the flight ID, in this case UPS 56, and the altitude, which in this case is 3,000 feet. Since the elevation of Chino is about 900 feet and his altitude is 3,000 feet, the actual overflight altitude from your house is 2,000 feet AGL, meaning above ground level. Now it's time to actually fill out the complaint form. We'll move our mouse where it says Complaint and press the button that says Complaint Form. You'll see that the time and the date have already been automatically filled out for us since we use the Web Tracker software. Now we just need to fill out the type of aircraft, which in this case is a jet, and what we want to complain about. In this case, we'll complain about low flying. When we fill out the comments, we want to make sure we put in the altitude that it flew over our house. This will make it much more apparent to the Ontario Airport management what we're complaining about and how low the aircraft was. Make sure you click the box that says you want a written response. You'll also need to fill out your name and address so they have it for their records. Hopefully this video is giving you some insight into how to fill out a noise complaint for the Ontario Airport. These complaints should give the airport authorities more information on what types of flights, how low they are, and what time of the day they're causing problems for our community. Thanks for watching.